you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What you got running here, man?
I've got 4 XV3 15s on a Big Boss 8.
Yeah, like those.
Mike down! Yes, sir! DJ Powder, Juicy J Production.
Heating them up pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's that back sub. For some reason, that one's getting like scalding hot.
Giving you problems.
Yeah, I don't know
Yeah, it's
why.
kind of throwing everything off, ain't it?
Yep.
Well, you got to wire like the half on.
It's one of them.
I was gonna wire it up a little bit.
Yeah, yeah, and I'm gonna add a second amp, so
Yeah.
I'll have each pair to 0.5 once.
Yeah, see, I got 2 Big Boss 8s myself, and I got it at 0.67, but I think I'm gonna go get 2 more, and then that way I'll be like at 1 something. That way it don't take as much to get where I'm trying to go.
It plays highs a little bit better.
They play pretty good, man.
Yeah, that's doing all right.
Those are the 15s, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let them know where they can find you on social media. You on Facebook or anywhere?
Man, just Cody Patterson on Facebook.
You on TikTok as well?
No
Just
TikTok.
Facebook?
Yeah,
Okay.
just Facebook.
Okay, I'm gonna tag him in the video below. Appreciate it, man.
Hey, yes sir.
What's the next show you going to?
Whatever the next show Arkansas SPL has, probably.
Okay, hopefully I'll be back over here, man.
All right.
If not, you know, we'll get together again here.
Sounds good, man.
Thank you, man.
Thanks. Hopefully it'll be louder next time you see it.
Okay, yeah.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.